Good afternoon. My name is Claudia Caterina Rojas Roa, and then I will present the evidence "The time is now" of the virtual complementary course Sena, English the Word 6. Let's keep going. Reason why I am studying English. Improve jobs opportunities. In the future, I plan to travel and learn about other cultures, improve cognition and communication, improve perspective. Learning a new language can literally change the way you see the world. How will I benefit from the learning? Being competent in the area of English supplemented with another career will improve me significantly and acquiring a good job abroad. Thanks for the attention.